Other than pressure gauge, temperature gauge, we have some level instruments also, which are required throughout the length of the column. Instrument connections. The level instruments are in liquid section of the column, usually at bottom. Okay, most of the time these level instruments are there in stripping section. Okay, remember stripping section which we discussed during the column operation in first section of this presentation. So most of the time those are located there only. The elevation of the nozzle is decided by the amount of liquid being controlled or measured by the standard controlled and gauge glass length. So this kind of arrangement will be there. There will be one nozzle, there will be one nozzle, both there will be standpipe which will be having a level gauge. Okay, so we can for these gauges also we have to provide ladder access only. We never provide permanent access to these kind of instruments. Okay, all these valves should be accessible through ladder only. Level controllers must be operable from grade or platform, and level gauges switches may be from a ladder if no platform is available. Okay, this kind of arrangement will be there. We'll provide a common ladder in between, and person can go up through this ladder and reach up to this bar. Okay, so all these valves should be accessible from this ladder. And also for level gauges, sometimes we have to go up to get the reading also. We cannot take all the readings standing at this platform. So sometimes not only for operation of these valve, for reading purpose only, to check the reading, we have to go up on this ladder. So this is the requirement. We have to locate all these nozzles in such a way so that we can provide the platform and ladder and access. And it should be in liquid section of the column, which will be delivered process only. So this is a list of fundas which we have already covered under a 2-minute funda series, where we are trying to cover the topic within 2 minutes. In few cases it is exceeding more than 2 minutes, but we are trying our best to cover it within 2 minutes. Okay, we have recently started this series under the same oil and gas funda knowledge sharing platform. Earlier we had covered our 14 topics along with 62 videos. Okay, now we have covered we have started this series 2-minute funda, and we have added more than 100 videos here. So into altogether we have more than 200 videos now. I'm sure you are watching it under standard and HD format along with the subtitles. Many more are on the way, so stay tuned. I'm sure you are enjoying the videos. So see you in the next part.